Dear kids, let's learn about birds in Urdu language and English language. Video is very interesting, so watch complete video. Let's start our lesson. Nightingale, Nighttingale, Nightingale, bulbul. Parrot, 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 तोता. Ostrich, 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 शुतुरमुर्ग, ostrich, शुतुरमुर्ग. Next is bat, bat, चमगादड़, bat, चमगादड़. Dear kids, next is crow, 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 कौवा, crow, कौवा. Next bird is chicken, 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 choosa, chicken, choosa. Cock, 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 murga. Next is cock, murga. Hen, hen, murgi, hen, murgi. Next bird is heron, 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 bagla, heron, bagla. Our next words, peacock, 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 more. Sparrow, 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 चिड़िया. Swallow, 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 ababil, swallow, ababil. Vulture, 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 ged. Quail, 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 bater, quail, bater. Next bird is dove, 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 pakhta, dove, pakhta. Pigeon, 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 kabutar. Owl, owl, ullu, owl, ullu. Next word is hope, hope, odhod. Cuckoo, 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 quail, cuckoo, quail. Next bird is hawk, hawk, bass, hawk, bass. Coot, coot, murgabi, coot, murgabi. Next bird is duck, duck, battak, duck, battak. Dear kids, next bird is albatross, albatross, bhari archan, in Urdu bhari archan. Falcon, falcon, falcon. Shikra, falcon, shikra.